Hanap mo ba ay saucy, savory, and hearty ulam? Today magluluto tayo ng pork guisantes, a Filipino-style pork stew simmered in rich tomato sauce with bell peppers and sweet peas. Sa isang kawali, magpainit ng mantika at igisa ang bell peppers for a few seconds to bring out their natural sweetness. Alisin sa pan and keep warm. Mag-add pa ng konting oil if needed, then saute the onions and garlic until fragrant. Gumamit ako dito ng pork shoulder or kasin, but pwede rin ng tenderloin if you prefer a leaner cut or liampo if you like more fat. Maglagay ng patis at pabayaan lang mag-simmer ng bahagya for the meat to absorb the flavors. Ibuhos ang tomato sauce and water and bring to a boil. Isama na rin ang bay leaves. Lower the heat, cover, and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes or until malambot na ang pork at na-reduce na ang sauce. Check at haluin occasionally for even cooking. Tikman and adjust ang timpla with salt and pepper if needed.
Grabe. Konting-konting asin.
Ilagay ang bell peppers and frozen green peas at continue lang ang pagluto for another 3 to 4 minutes until tender crisp na ang mga gulay. Maglagay ng konting brown sugar to balance ang konting pagkaasim ng tomato sauce with konting tamis. Kung gusto mo ang mas malapot na sauce, pakuluan pa without cover para ma-reduce ng mabilisan. Serve this pork guisantes with steamed rice for a tasty and filling lunch or dinner. Enjoy!
Umuusok pa.